thinking of taking that first step of becoming a registered physiotherapist in Australia? Hello everyone, my name is Sunidhi and welcome back to Academically. I will be throwing a light on an important aspect, salary earned by a physiotherapist in Australia versus salary earned by other healthcare professionals. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I promise you're gonna find everything you need to know to build your healthcare career abroad from the scratch. Whether you are thinking of the career prospects, step-by-step process, overseas registration exams, tips to crack the exams, salary insights, we have got you covered. So coming back to our point, how much can you earn as a physiotherapist in Australia? The average annual salary earned by a registered physiotherapist in Australia is AUD 93,000. Now coming from a country like India, this is a salary that would make your wallet sing in pleasure. But what about other healthcare professionals in Australia? Let's peek into their salary insights as well. First in line are pharmacists. These ones who do magic with pills and drugs. The average annual salary of registered pharmacist in Australia is AUD 1 lakh. Next in line are nurses, the angels in disguise in the healthcare world. Registered nurses in Australia earn an average annual salary of AUD 82,000. Moving on to the doctors, the mighty backbone of our healthcare system. AUD 1,56,000 is the average annual salary of a registered doctor in Australia. So what about dentists now? The heroes behind our beautiful smiles. The average annual salary of a registered dentist in Australia is AUD 1,49,448. Now, the wizards who work in medical laboratories, the lab scientist. A registered lab scientist in Australia earns an average annual salary of AUD 82,000. These are the average annual salaries of healthcare professionals working in Australia. Now, if you harbor a dream of practicing in Australia, we can help you turn it into a reality. With our preparation courses for overseas registration exams, you can tackle them on your first attempt and pack your bags to your dream destination to set up your healthcare practice. We can help you migrate to countries like Australia, Ireland, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Dubai. By filling out the form in the description below, you can get a free 101 counseling session with our career experts at Academically. Let us discuss your possibilities in your dream country. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.